Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your phone supports 2 active lines, dual SIM or 1 physical SIM plus eSIM. Once done, insert both Jio SIMs into their slots or install the eSIM profile from My Jio. Make sure VO LTE capability is available. Update your system if the option is missing. You should be on Wi-Fi for any carrier activation steps and keep the phone charged. These actions get you into the configuration stage immediately, so the network can provision both Jio numbers. Next, go into SIM or cellular settings and enable VO LTE for each Jio line. This ensures HD calls and simultaneous data. Then choose which SIM handles mobile data and set the APN to GeoNet if it doesn't populate automatically. Assign your default SIM for voice and for SMS as you prefer, but note some phones will route voice over the active VO LTE line. Once configured, make a short call and open a web page to confirm both call and data paths work reliably. To finish, restart the phone so carrier settings and IMS services register properly. Look for 4G and VO LTE icons on the notifications bar for both Jio lines. If calls drop or data won't connect, toggle airplane mode, power down and reinsert SIMs, or reset network settings. These steps re-trigger provisioning. If you still see problems, update carrier settings or contact Jio support with your SIM IXID ready. This single troubleshooting tip, toggle and restart, resolves most provisioning hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.